Welcome to Identity Tutorials. In this video, we will learn how to set Java Home in the Bash profile for SailPoint IdentityIQ or Oracle Identity Manager on a Linux server. Step 1. First, download the required JDK tar file from the Oracle website. Step 2. Copy the downloaded JDK tar file to the Linux server where SailPoint IIQ or OIM is installed. Step 3. Open the terminal and extract the JDK tar file using the tar command. Step 4. Navigate to the newly created JDK directory. Step 5. Go to the Oracle User Home directory and check whether the Bash profile file already exists. Step 6. Now, export the Java Home path and update the path variable. Step 7. To save the changes, press Escape, then Shift and Q. Type WQ! And press Enter. Step 8. Reload the Bash profile using the source command. Step 9. Finally, verify the Java Home variable and check the installed Java version. Java Home has been successfully configured. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Identity Tutorials for more SailPoint and Linux administration videos.